Hi guys! September is here and we are still having nice weather here in Ontario. Last week I've cleaned up the planter where the corn was growing before. We're going to try and get one more harvest of radish in. Just one seed per hole. It was a flop in the spring, so this time I want to make sure we get the spacing right in the first place. There's still a lot of tomatoes and cucumbers waiting to be harvested. So I learned that you can use epsom salts not just for your bath but also for your garden. It is a good source of magnesium and sulfur. It should give the plants a boost and green up the yellowing leaves. Our autumn clematis is blooming and smelling lovely. My radishes are not looking so good. They have grown and are looking a little bit spindly. I'm going to try a fertilizer called bone meal, which is supposed to be good especially for the root growth. There are 3 numbers on the label, 4, 10 and 0. These numbers stand for nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. It's a slow release fertilizer and it's basically animal bones ground into pellets. I'm a bit desperate at this point, so I'm just going to try my luck with it. Blackberries start ripening about 60 to 70 days after the blooms first open. We certainly waited a long time to see the fruit. We got way more cherry tomatoes than we could eat. A good way to process a lot of them in one shot is to simply make a bruschetta. We have been waiting for a long time to pick the squash. The big one looks ready, it's turned yellow and there are no more green veins. The other 2 are still green. I will try to cut it off. Not possible with scissors. Let's try the garden shears. The stem is just too hard. I will need some help with this. Look at it, it's beautiful. I cut it in half and made 2 different recipes with it. You can use the seeds as well. Just wash them and then roast them in the oven. I made some delicious squash soup as well. So the radish didn't develop a bulb once again. This time I verified that spacing wasn't the problem. I'm suspecting the soil I used was just too rich. Next year I will use just a simple 2:1 ratio of potting soil and peat moss. I heard that radish in fact does not like to be fertilized, so using the bone meal wasn't the right step. Our roses are back in their full beauty.
Baby flower.
Thank you for watching. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.